Hariam children, in this video I will explain you the chapter set. In the first part of the video, in the last video, I have explained what is set, how set can be expressed in two forms, roster form and set builder forms, and another is description form, and that is not in your portion, only roster form and set builder form. Then what is finite set, infinite set, the cardinal numbers, null set, singleton set. These are all I have explained in the last video. In this video, I will do operation on sets. That means union of sets, intersection of sets, difference of sets, complement of set. So first I am doing union of sets. How you find the union of sets? Suppose two sets are given. Name here set A is given here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and B set is given here 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. B set is given and the inversal set is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inversal set. What do you mean by inversal set? That means all the elements of the set, all the set's elements belongs to the inversal set. Like in this inverse, everything is belongs to the inverse. Like this, how many sets are given? Here set A and set B given. All the elements of set A and set B belongs to the inversal set. So we have to find now first union of set. Union of set expressed in the symbol like capital U, union of set A union B. It is read as A union B. So A set is here given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and union symbol you have to give. B set given 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is B set given. So union means the combination of all elements. We have to take all elements, set A elements and set B elements. And remember which elements is repeated. Here 4 and 5. Here 4, 5 are repeated. So that elements we have to take only once. Not required to repeat it. So all the elements of set A and all elements of set B we have to write. So A union B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Clear? A union B understood? This is called A union B. Then next is intersection of two sets. Intersection of two sets, I will write. See here, intersection of two sets. It is written as A intersection B. Just the sign of the union, reverse of the sign union. Just reverse it, A intersection B. It is read as. So A elements you write. A elements given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, intersection. Then B elements you write 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Clear? So in intersection what we will do? Intersection in both the sets which elements are common, that we have to take. Here the elements 4, 5. Here also elements 4, 5. These two elements are common. So A intersection B is equal to 4, 5. So understood? A intersection B. A union B means all the elements we have to take. In set A the elements and set B elements, all elements we have to take. And which elements are common, that we have not to repeat it. That is A union B. Now A intersection B is between the two sets which elements are common. That elements we have to take. Between these two sets, elements common is which one? 4 and 5. So we have to take these two elements. So A intersection B is your 4, 5. Understood A intersection B? Now next one is difference of two sets. Difference. Here intersection, that is difference. Difference means the minus. So right here difference, it is expressed as A minus B. Difference. So A minus B means first elements of A you write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus here B elements you write 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 written. So in difference what we will do, what are the common elements? Here common elements which are 4 and 5, that you leave. Between the two sets the common elements you leave. 4, 5, that means you leave. So what elements left in the first set? First set which one? Set A. So what the elements left in set A? 1, 2, 3. So that is the answer or difference of two sets A minus B. Answer is 1, 2, 3. Understood? How we will get the difference? In intersection what we are doing? What are the common elements that we are taking? That is the solution. But here difference, what are the common elements? We leave it. And what left in the first set? First set which element? First set is A. In first set what elements left? 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 1, 2, 3. So difference understood. How to find difference? Then next part is your complement of a set. How you will find complement of a set? Suppose complement of A. Complement of A, how it will be written as A dash. Complement of set A written as A dash. So complement of set A, how will you find? Any set complement given means you have to find the difference of universal set minus that set, set A. Complement of A dash. Suppose B dash given, so universal set minus set B. But here A dash given, so write universal set elements which are 1, 2, 3, dot, dot. It will continue up to 10 minus set A. Set A elements given 1, 2, 3, 4. So complement difference, you already have told how to find the difference. So what are the elements common? 1, 2, 3, 4. So these 4 elements we have to leave. So rest element in the universal set we have to write. So what are the rest elements? 1, 2, 3, 4 gone. The common elements here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Common elements gone. So what elements left? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Understood? If continuously serially the numbers given or the difference between the numbers is same, so we can give the dot. If so many numbers are there, not required to write all the numbers, if continuously numbers are there, so in between we can give the dot. So here after the difference means the common elements we have to be leave. So 1, 2, 3, 4 gone. So what left? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So complement of a set understood. Complement of a set expressed as A dash. So that means universal set minus A. Understood? I have explained union of sets, intersection of sets, then your difference of sets, then complement of sets. Understood? Clear? Now based on these 2-3 problems I am doing. Not from your exercise, from my own. I am doing 2-3 bits. You do the exercise and also I will send the solution of the exercise in the PDF form. Still after that if any doubt you can send me in my personal WhatsApp number so that I will solve. So see some question I am doing here. Suppose one question I am doing here. Here question is given. Your question here given. Question number 1, suppose universal set is given x such that x belongs to z, comma minus 4 less than x less than equal to 4. This is universal set. Then set A is given x such that x belongs to W whole number and x less than 4. Set B is given x such that x belongs to N, 2 less than x less than equal to 4. This is the question given. The set A, set B, universal set given, and question given to find bit 1 A dash, bit 2 B dash, bit 3 A union B, bit 4 here A intersection B. All the 4 bits if will do, you can understand everything given. Complement set given, union given, intersection given. So union you will also do, intersection do, difference also you will do. So see the question. So how to solve? First we have to find the universal set, all the elements we have to find. It is given in the set builder form. So elements we have to find. So universal set, write the elements. The value is given x belongs to z. Z means the integer, maybe positive, maybe negative number, and the range is given minus 4 less than equal to x less than equal to 4. That means minus 4 is also included because it is equal given. So minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the universal set elements you write minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, here 4. This is the universal set. Then here set A elements, now you find set A elements, x belongs to W whole number. W means whole number, x less than 4. So whole number starts from 0, it is less than given, not equal. So which numbers we have to take? 0, 1, 2, 3. So write set A elements 0, 1, 2, 3. This is the element of set A. Now the elements of set B you see, x belongs to n, natural number. N means natural number. The range is given 2 less than x but less than equal to 4. So 2 is not included, only less than given. So which number you have to take? 3. Then less than equal also given, so 3 comma 4. So elements of B is given here 2 not included, so 3 comma 4. Understood B elements? Clear? Universal set elements you got, A set elements you got, B set elements you got. Now bit 1 question given to find A dash. So I am noting this one. Now I have solved all the elements I got. This one not required for you. So question you see here, bit 1 given A dash. So A dash we have to find bit 1. A dash is equal to universal set minus A. So universal set elements what you write? Minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear? Universal set minus your set A. Set A is elements are 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. Clear? So in difference what we will do? What are the common elements we leave and what left in the first set, that elements we have to write. So 0 this is common, 1 is common, 2 is common, 3 is common. So which elements are left? -4, -3, -2, -1, then 0 gone, 1 gone, 2 gone, 3 gone. So what left? 4. So understood? A dash how to get? Clear? A dash. Then next we have to find B dash. So if you are not able to write, you can pause the video and you can also write. Next I am finding B dash. So right here, bit 2 I am writing. The values I am not rubbing because values I have written here the elements of the set. So I am rubbing in the top. So here B dash we have to find. B dash same way like A dash we have to find bit 2. B dash is equal to inversal set minus B. Inversal set minus B. Inversal set is given -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the inversal set minus elements of B 3, 4. Clear? So what left? 3, 4. 3 is common, 4 is common. So these elements gone. So what are the elements left? -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. Clear? So got B dash or complement of B. Understood? B dash. Now next bit 3, A union B. So A union B how to find? C over this one. Then next we have to do bit 3. Bit 3, A union B. A union B, elements of A you write 0, 1, 2, 3. Union B elements given 3, 4. So now union means all the elements we have to take. So elements of A and elements of B set also we have to take. So which is common ones we have to take, I have told already. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. A union B got. Understood? Clear? Now A intersection bit 4. Bit 4 A intersection B. We have to see how to do A intersection B. So here bit 4 A intersection B. A elements are what? 0, 1, 2, 3. Intersection B 3, 4. So intersection what I have told? The common elements only you have to take. Common is which one? 3. 3 is the common element. So the answer is 3. Understood? A intersection B. So everything I am explained here. Complement of the set how to find means difference you have to find. Then A union B how to find. Then A intersection B how to find. Understood? Everything I have explained. So rest and the exercise problems also I will solve and send. I will send you in the PDF form. So I hope all your concept must be clear about set, operation on sets. So still if you have any doubt, you will send me in my personal WhatsApp number. I will solve and send to you. Okay. Thank you.